What is a one-dimensional motion, two-dimensional motion, and a three-dimensional motion? So first part is one-dimensional motion. A particle moving, a train moving on a straight track. Only one parameter, x, varies. So particle moving in a straight line is an example of one-dimensional motion. The motion of an object is said to be one-dimensional if only one coordinate. When you say coordinate, x coordinate, y coordinate, z coordinate. Only one coordinate specifying the position of the object changes with respect to time. Here only x coordinate changes to specify position of is used to specify position of the particle. So in one dimensional it may be only x. Then there can be another example, a particle moving straight up, only y. There is a possibility a particle moving only along z. So only in one. It can be x, it can be y, it can be z, or a particle moving in a straight line. This is one dimensional motion. 2 minutes to write. Second part deals with what? Two-dimensional motion. Example is here. In order to specify the position where the duster is, I can mark it is some distance x, then some distance y. So if there is any particle on the board, say this duster, then the position can be specified by specifying how many parameters? Two parameters, x and y. So if there is a particle, its motion is such that you need two parameters, x and y, to specify its position. Then it is termed as two-dimensional motion. This is one example. Insect on the wall, yes, insect on the wall, two dimension. And your TV screen, flat TV, particle P, again, x and y. On a flat screen, different points are given. This is how you pick the data. All points are specified. This is white color, this is black, this is red, this is blue. When you plot all those points, it appears in form of a photograph or a movie. Photographs shown at very fast rate appear to be in motion. So on a TV screen also, when you specify a point, so it is what? Two-dimensional. Time with you is 2 minutes to write. Third part is what? Three-dimensional motion. What about a mosquito in a room? Suppose you take this point as a reference, mosquito is here. So you need to specify x, y and z. Aeroplane, motion of an aeroplane, you need to specify x, y, z. That means three parameters, three coordinates are required. X, y, z. Say this is the x value, this is y value, z value, sorry. this is the y value. You can mark it the way you want. So you have x, y and z. You need to specify all these parameters to locate exact position. So all the 3D world, you specify any point, it is x, y, z, or if it is x, z, y, your choice. The motion of an object is said to be three-dimensional if all the three coordinates specifying the position of the object change with respect to time, or if three coordinates are required to specify the position, even then it is three-dimensional. But three-dimensional motion is when all the three parameters vary. X varies, y varies and z. Here x, y, z, three coordinates required to specify the position of the object. Example is what? Kite in sky. In order to specify the position or the motion, you need three parameters, x, y, z. Examples: kite flying on a windy day, yes, three-dimensional. A speeding car on a long straight highway, one dimension. A carom striker rebounding from one side of the board, two-dimensional. A planet revolving around its star, two-dimensional. It is a planar motion, circular motion, motion of earth around sun in one plane, circle. You need two parameters, x and y. In case it is not this, in case a planet moves like this, then you need to have three parameters. But actually it is circular motion. You need two parameters to specify. Time with you is 3 minutes, right?